What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Auto Guy DIY, coming at you with the AC control module. So I'm hoping it's really gonna work. We're gonna jump right into this. So the first thing I did though is I took my battery off, positive and negative, and turned my headlights on. Yes, I understand the headlights ain't gonna work, but it's to ensure that the PCM's completely drained of power. Because if you can tell, and I have been driving the truck, I got my plug, I got my 12-volt adapter here unplugged, and I think I have this here unplugged. So I want to make sure to plug all that back in and before I tie everything back in, because, well, I want the best shot of this working as possible, seeing as I'm running out of options. Without taking it to a shop and paying somebody, I mean, that's not what we're about on this channel, man. We're about figuring it out and getting it fixed. So I'm gonna let it set for a few more minutes. I'm gonna start plugging in the other stuff and then we'll jump into it. But before I click you off, I want to show you, look at this controller. I mean, it is identical to the one that I pulled out. So I was obviously mistaken with the fact that I thought that other one was aftermarket. It is not, because this came out of a 2010 Dodge Ram. So I did get it for 60 bucks, and if it doesn't work, at least I got a 6-month warranty. I could take it back and get my 60 bucks. But I did want to note that it is identical to the one that I took out. Even though I thought it was not a Chrysler product, it obviously is. So we got a few minutes to hang out. I'll click you back on, and that'll be that. All right, so I got everything plugged in. I just got this laid in there. I didn't want to screw it back in and mount it if it doesn't work. You know what I mean? So I got the battery plugged back in. I turned the lights off. So we're gonna start this thing and see what we got. Sounds pretty smooth. Just to kind of note that with the Marvel Mystery Oil, because I know we're doing that right now too. So here we go. We push this like that. Now it's gonna fight me. So it's on. You can see the little snowflakes on. Let's see here. We'll get the little computer out here. I don't hear that fan running. That's not a good thing. Let's see what we got here. No, I don't have my fan's not running. That's not a bonus. Yeah, it's not running in there. It looks like it was on for a second, but it went right off. So let me pull this up. All right, so here we go. We got it pulled up. Show and not pressed. I don't have it on. Right. So here we go. Let's turn this thing on. I'll show you that I turn it on. I gotta mess with it. Give me a second here. There it is. Look at that. Same thing, man. Let's see if I hold it in. Let's see if I can hold it in like this. My fingers ain't that long. Yep, when I hold it in, same thing. Well, hell. So back to the drawing board. That'll be that for this video. I'm gonna snap all this stuff back in there and go back to the drawing board and see what else we can come up with. There's gotta be something. It's gotta be something, man. So with all that, keep living the dream, doing your thing, like and subscribe. Always leave your boy a comment, and I'm rolling out.